Good morning. We're in front of the Makapuno Embryo Culture Laboratory, where Dr. Solano is the project in charge and I, Mrs. Alma Gruba, is the laboratory technician working in the scientific culture of the crops. Pasok po tayo and let's see what's inside the Makapuno lab. Hello ma'am, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so we're inside the Makapuno Embryo Culture Laboratory and this is Dr. Dorothy Solano, our Makapuno project in charge. This is the washing area of the Makapuno Embryo Culture Laboratory, and this is where we wash and clean all the laboratory materials and instruments in this large sink. And this is our autoclave, and this is where we sterilize the culture media and other laboratory materials. Now, this is our Makapuno media preparation room, and this is where we prepare our Makapuno culture media. Here are the procedure in the preparation of sterile embryos for culture. First, inside the laminar flow hood, wash the solid endosperm cylinders with tap water several times. Quickly rinse in 95% ethanol for 5 minutes and decant. Immerse in 100% commercial bleach, Zonrox, for 30 minutes in a clean beaker. After sterilization, decant bleach and rinse with sterile distilled water at least 8 times. Steri beads or flame in an alcohol lamp for 20 seconds. Let them cool on an aluminum instrument rack. Using these sterile instruments, excise embryos out from the solid endosperm in the sterile Petri dishes lined with papers. Transfer embryos to sterile flasks. After all embryos have been excised, disinfect them again in 10% bleach for 5 minutes. Rinse with sterile distilled water for 5 to 8 times and decant. Transferring of Makapuno seedlings in Y3 liquid media Gatorade bottles. Inside the laminar flow hood, prepare sterile extension plastic and Petri dish lined with 2 pieces sterile round paper. Place Makapuno seedling in Petri dish. Remove foil cover of Gatorade bottle and sterilized mouth bottle in the flame of an alcohol lamp. Let bottle cool down. Clean the root tip of Makapuno seedling, cut if necessary, to enhance root formation. Transfer the seedling in Gatorade bottle containing fresh liquid Y3 culture media. Cover with extension plastic bag and seal the bottle with a rubber band.
Magandang umagang muli. Narito naman ngayon tayo sa Makapuno Nursery. Ang nursery nito ay may laman sa ngayon na 250 Makapuno seedlings. Tara, pasok tayo.
Scene 2.
These ECM seedlings in bottles are taken from the laboratory. The seedlings will be left here for 2 weeks and will be planted in polyethylene bags to undergo acclimatization process or hardening under natural condition.
From bottles, seedlings will be repotted to poly bags. These seedlings will be covered with plastic supported by bamboo sticks to prevent the leaves from sagging into the plastic. Seedlings are covered with plastic for 2 months in order to acclimatize. After 2 months, the plastic cover will be lifted gradually in order to have space for aeration. After a month, when plastic has been taken off, seedlings will be exposed under sunlight but still protected with a net to prevent seedlings from wilting due to overexposure to sunlight. These seedlings will be watered regularly, fertilized at least once a week, and sprayed with insecticide or fungicide if there's any occurrence of insects or fungus. Seedlings which are ready for field transplant can be sold at 650 pesos per plant.
Magandang umaga po. Narito naman tayo ngayon sa Makapuno Field Plantation. This is a 3-hectare demonstration farm planted with 298 Makapuno palms with a distance of 10 by 10 meters apart.
These Makapuno palms were planted in September 2010, fertilized twice a year with animal manure, and are expected to flower and bear fruits this year. Makapuno nuts from these palms will be the source of embryos to sustain the Makapuno production project done in the laboratory of URS Tanay.